This video will show you easy ways to move between tabs in Microsoft Excel. Using keyboard shortcuts, press and hold Control, press Page Down, tab right, or Page Up, tab left. As long as you have the Control key pressed, you can use Page Down and Page Up to cycle through your spreadsheet's tabs. Release when you are done cycling through the tabs. Using Go To, press F5 on your keyboard. A Go To window will open. Type the sheet's name that you want to go to, an exclamation mark, and the cell you want to go to. Press Enter. The black outline that indicates which box is selected will go to your entered sheet and cell. You can also press Ctrl+G to pull up the Go To window. You can also go to Home tab. Click Find and select Icon. Select Go To from the menu. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.